Hey, what's up guys? My name is Bryce and today we're going to be reviewing this lantern style wireless speaker. It's made by a company called Onforu and it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker. We're going to unbox it, check out all the features and do a couple demos, all coming up after this. Alright, so you can buy these online for 189 bucks on Amazon or their website onforuleds.com. So these particular speakers are pretty sweet. They have 8 different colors and 5 levels of brightness, and you can sync up to 100 of these speakers and have stereo surround sound outside on your patio or somewhere in your house. They're great just setting them around. They've got nice rubber feet on the bottom, or they've got these hangers on top so you can hang them. You know, we're going to probably hang these off the back of our awning on our back patio. And these are also IPX5 waterproof rated, and so it can your awning and be out the elements and the rain, any splashes on those and they're going to do just fine. And these are pretty sweet. They're outdoor speakers, the style of a lantern instead of just your typical speakers, so they're pretty unique, and with the light display they're pretty awesome. They're wireless, they're rechargeable, very versatile with, you know, placing them around or hanging them. Okay, so let's unbox this real quick. Got a guarantee card. We've got 2 sets of power adapters and 3.5mm audio cables. It's nicely packaged. Look like little lanterns. Manual, waterproof wireless speaker. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. You've got your pair of speakers. Each speaker comes with its own power adapter and a 3.5mm audio cable. You've got your user manuals and a guarantee card. Okay, so starting from the top, you've got a nice acrylic, heavy duty. I mean, this thing, it's got some weight to it. It's definitely feels pretty heavy duty, pretty high quality. It's got a pretty nice design around the body of this. These are gonna be your lights on the side. It's a nice tough plastic lens on there. You've got your screen for your speakers. So each of these speakers have 2 12.5 full range drivers and 2 passive radiators. And the sound's actually quite good. In the bass, it's got what they say booming bass, or to quote, super bass booms. So we'll check out those super bass booms here in just a second. So then right here towards the bottom of the speaker, you have a nice Onforu logo there. And this is your control panel. You've got your power button, you've got your Bluetooth, so you can sync it up with the phone or other streaming devices. This is so you can have the lights on or off. You can still play the music without the lights if you don't want that. This button, dual function, it's either to cycle through the modes, so you can have it on pulse with the music, or just some fading in and out of different colors. It's also your timer, so down here you'll see that you've got 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. And that's how long that the speaker is going to be on for while it's playing. Then this is your sync button, so you can actually sync these 2 speakers together or multiple, up to 100 of these speakers. And it's pretty cool just having these 2 and having that stereo surround sound. This TX and RX, so this is going to be for, this is my primary here, I'm going to power it on, and this is going to be the one that's transmitting. You'll see a little light next to it. And then on the other one, you'll hit this receiver button. You'll see the light comes on the second one, and you know that those 2 are synced up. But then both the sound and the lights are synced up perfectly, and it does a good job of that. These buttons are also dual function, so this is going to be your audio, so you can manage audio up or down, but you can also manage it right from your phone. And then on the bottom here, you have these nice rubber feet, so depending what service you have, it's not going to slide around on you. Under this cover here, you have a reset button. This is your power plug-in. It's pretty easy. It comes with a power adapter, one for each of these devices, and when you plug it in, you'll see the little red light comes on the power button there. Then you have your auxiliary. It does come with auxiliary cables too, so if you're plugging it in from an iPod or something else, you don't necessarily need to go over Bluetooth. They work independently on their own, completely wireless after the battery's charged. The battery is a 6500 mAh battery, and battery lasts up to 20 hours depending on the volume and the brightness of the lights. Alright, so when these 2 are synced up together, then the lights are actually going to pulse together the same, or you can hit off on their primary speaker. Whichever one you power on first is going to be the primary. If I were to have them synced up and turn them both off, and then I turn this one on first, and then this one, they'll still be synced, but then this will be the primary because I turned it on first. So wherever you want your primary, so maybe you want it closest to your back door or something, just make sure whichever one that you want to control from, that's the one that you power on first. But after they're synced up from the primary one, you can control the lights being on or off. This is where you can cycle through the different colors, and it'll just kind of fade in and out on these colors here. By default, they're going to be on the pulse setting that goes through the 8 different colors. Or you can, if you just want a solid color, then you can just go through each of those and they're going to be in sync with each other on all 8 colors. You even have this bright white if you just want white. And there's 5 different brightness levels, so you can go anywhere from 20% all the way up to 100% brightness. Okay, we're going to just power this on real quick. Ooh. And we're going to just power the other one on. So you can see the lights are just going to cycle through some different colors here while they're getting set up for the first time. It's pretty simple. Just on your device, pull up your Bluetooth list here. So you'll see where it says Onforu SK01. So you just click on that. And then you'll see Bluetooth pairing request. So we'll hit OK. And you just heard the chime. And then you're ready to go, and there's nothing left to do on the phone. But to sync up the other device, what you'll do is you'll hit the sync button on this first one. There's a little flashing button just right here next to the transmission button. So what we're going to do is hit the sync button on the second speaker. And you can see right here there's just this little red button next to the RX or the receiver. Okay, now both speakers are synced with each other and we're connected to Bluetooth to the phone here. So we're just going to play audio. There's nothing else you have to set up. It's just ready to go. So I'll hit play here. You can manage the volume right here on your phone, or right here on the speakers themselves. It's got pretty good sound quality. I mean, sounds pretty dang good. And this is on low. Let me turn it up for you. Sound really good. So we're just going to try in a couple different spaces and just see what it sounds like in maybe not such a small area. Try putting them up in a bigger room, try them outside on the back patio and just see how it sounds out there. So tell us what you think about these speakers or any other speakers that you think are in this class that would be pretty cool to check out, and leave your comments and questions down below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. And that's it from Two Nerdy Families. We'll see you next time.